How to use Meta AI on WhatsApp and Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store on your device and look for the Instagram app. If there are any updates available for Instagram, then make sure to update it. Once these are updated, open the Instagram app. Now go to your messaging interface. In your messages at the top, you will see Ask Meta AI or Search. Click on the search bar and type in Meta AI. After typing in Meta AI, wait for a bit. Then Meta AI Assistant will appear. Click on the Assistant suggestion. Now a messaging box like this will appear. Here you can ask anything to this assistant. Right now, just to show you guys, I'm gonna type in hello, how are you doing? Then click on the send button, and just like that you will get your response. Now let's move on to WhatsApp. For WhatsApp also, it's the same process. Firstly, open Play Store on your device. After opening Play Store, go to the search bar on the top and search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, look for any updates that may be available and open the app on your device. Click on the search icon on the top right corner. Now search for Meta AI. After you search for Meta AI, if it appears, then click on the assistant to start your conversation. However, Meta AI on WhatsApp is not available for some countries. That's all for today. Thank you.